create those 3D models. Their origination and their confluences, how he has done through this again. And according to him, Indus is a classic example of this. That's how the rivers originates and then they get complicated and then they get simplified and again complicated. So that was another thing we always see that with river Indus and how it is so difficult to excavate the sites at Indus Delta. And I worked in Delta for about 15 years. So I totally agree with him that the Indus is one of the most typical river. Then he discussed alluvial landforms, connection between living settlements and rivers, which was another interesting thing, and climate as a major catastrophic element which has affected all these Indus Valley sites, starting from Harappa and then how he has applied this model at Mohenjo-daro. And soil chronology was one of very interesting thing, and applying that on site formation model, correlation between soil, regional and local occupations, then drought events which have affected a lot on Indus, and oxygen and C3 and oxygen isotopes and C3, C4 models, which he has studied, which I also have done during my research. And I totally agree with him that how it can give us the whole idea about the agriculture and the eating habits of the people. Yeah, so I think this is it, and it covers up everything of today's session. And I'm very happy that I was part of this session, one way or the other. Thank you very much for listening to me and for listening to all these speakers and for your time. Thank you.